Call them today. Ask for the Ursula Roy team. Special.
When do you plan on not being here? Wednesday? Well, Wednesday's my last day. I think it's right. Andrew, working? I get to work all week. Get to work all week. That's the right attitude. All in the category of best. The thing is, I don't think it's hard. You see old towel rack, which is a door, and it wasn't a door, just something cut inside. Oh, but it's a hole. It's a hole. And you then would be able to walk back behind. Ended up being this open space. Somebody there decided they wanted to create a luxurious new kitchen. Way easier and less expensive than a tear out. You won't believe the difference. Heritage Homecraft's specialty is custom counter refacing and quartz countertops. With Heritage Homecraft, custom means built from scratch just for you. Our own craftsmen, not subcontractors, will reface your existing cabinet boxes with quarter-inch thick solid hardwood and add new custom-built solid hardwood doors. We make design changes, add cabinets, install custom features, and top it all off with a brand new quartz countertop. With the holidays here, I know everyone's busy. 425-485-1600, 425-485-1600, or heritagehomecraft.com.
There's one for the entire family. Get your tickets today before they sell out. Follow the star at Christian Faith in Rebel Lake, Mill Creek. Shows are December 14th through the 16th. Go to ChristianFaith.us for times and details.
GoPro, stop recording.